Hello everyone, John here, and in today's video I'll demonstrate how you can organize your start menu in Windows 10. We will start by removing some of the tiles that we no longer need in the start menu. To do this, right click on the tile you wish to unpin and select unpin. Repeat that to all the tiles you wish to remove. It's that easy. Now it's time to pin the icons we need on the start menu. To do this, head on to the default location of the program icon, right click it and then select the pin to start option. Try that now. Depending on the tiles you have on your start menu, you can be able to resize it. To do this, head on to the edge of the start menu. Ensure you move your cursor to the edge of the start menu until you get the resizing pointer. Drag inwards to make it small, outwards to make it large, upwards to make it tall, and downwards to make it small. Give it a try as well. You may have lots of tiles that you indeed use, but then they are taking lots of space in the start menu. In such a scenario, you will need to create folders for the related apps. To do this, just pick one of the related tiles and drag on top of another related icon tile. That action will create a folder. Drag the rest to the icon tiles as well. And just like that, you have grouped your tiles into folders. To have a clear view to the icons you use more frequently, you may want to enlarge them or otherwise shrink them. To do this, head on to the tile you wish to resize. Right click on the said tile, head on to resize and pick one of the available options depending on your preference. From your start menu, you may have noticed some animated tiles. Well, those are the live tiles. This is a feature that is supported by a few selected tiles. To know if a tile supports the animation, simply right click it, move to more. If it supports the animation, you notice the turn on or off like live tile. And vice versa is true. You can use this option to turn on or off the live tiles. Try that out. You may want to group your tiles to make it easier to find. Maybe you want your office apps in one group and best browser apps in another. To do this, just drag your tiles within the start menu to arrange them into groups and give them names. And that is how you can organize your start menu in Windows 10. If you like this video, kindly click the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more tech and how-to videos. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you are notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and as usual, see you in the next one. Stay safe.